Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today is 21st August 2020 on Friday. How's the weather outside? Cloudy because the rainy season is going on. Yesterday we learned comparison. So today revise this comparison. What is this? These are two elephants. One is big and other one is small. So which elephant is big? This? No. This? Yes. This elephant is big and this elephant is small. So student, big, small. Big, small. This elephant is big and this elephant is small. And second, tall, short. Tall, short. So what are these? These are two ladders. One is tall and other one is short. One is tall and other one is short. So tell me, which ladder is tall? This? No. This? Yes. This one is tall and this ladder is short. And next, what are these? These are two flower baskets. One is full and other one is empty. So student, which basket is full? This? No. This? Yes. This basket is full. Full means जिस बास्केट में मैडम ने यहाँ पे क्या ड्रॉ किया है? फ्रूट्स. जो बास्केट फ्रूट से भरा हुआ है उसे फुल कहते हैं और जो बास्केट यहाँ पे खाली है जिसमें कुछ भी नहीं है वो एम्प्टी. फुल, एम्प्टी. फुल, एम्प्टी. सो रिवाइज अगेन वन मोर टाइम. बिग, स्मॉल. बिग, स्मॉल. टॉल, शॉर्ट. टॉल, शॉर्ट. फुल, एम्प्टी. Full, empty. And student, our new exercise is draw a square around the identical same object. So आपको क्या करना है? जो पिक्चर सेम हो उसमें आपको स्क्वायर करना है. Draw a square around the identical same object. जो ऑब्जेक्ट सेम हो उसमें आपको स्क्वायर करना है. Here I drawn some objects. What are these? These are two moon, okay, and here I drawn star and cloud. So आपको जो सेम है उसमें स्क्वायर करना है. These both are same, so square the moon. This picture is different, so उसमें स्क्वायर करना नहीं है. And what is this? This is moon. So square the moon. And next, here I drawn vase. And what is this? This is pot. And what is this? This is vase. And this is pot. So इसमें कौन सा पिक्चर सेम है? Which picture is same? This? No. This? Yes. This pot is same. So square this object. Okay. And next, what is this? This is fish. And what is this? This is frog. And what is this? Seahorse. And what is this? This is fish. So student, tell me which picture is same? Tell me which picture is this same? Frog? No. Seahorse? No. So this fish is same. Okay. So square the same picture. Fish and fish. This picture is same. These both are same picture. And next, what is this? Moon. And what is this? Star. And what is this? Sun. And what is this? Star. So student, tell me which picture is same? Moon? No. Star? Yes. Star is same. These both are same. Okay. So square this star. Okay. Star, star. Same picture. And here I drawn some fruits. So which fruit is this? Apple. And what is this? Mango. And what is this? Apple. And what are these? Bananas. So which picture is same? Tell me. Apple? Yes, apple same. These both picture are same. So square the apple. Apple, apple. This both picture is different. Okay. This is mango and this is banana. So इसमें आपको square करना नहीं है. And last, what are these? Here I drawn shapes. This is semicircle and this circle and this diamond and this semicircle. So which picture is same? Tell me. This? No. This? No. This semicircle is same. So square the semicircle. This picture is same. Okay. Moon, moon. These both are same. Vase and vase different है. Pot, pot, pot same. Fish, fish. These both are same. Star, star same picture. And apple, apple. Semicircle, semicircle. Okay. Our second exercise is circle the object that is different. Different means यहाँ पे मैडम ने जो 3 फिश ड्रॉ की है उसमें कौन सी फिश डिफरेंट है उसमें आपको सर्कल करना है. सर्कल द डिफरेंट पिक्चर. ओके. जो ऑब्जेक्ट डिफरेंट हो उसमें आपको सर्कल करना है. सो स्टूडेंट, टेल मी विच फिश इज विच ऑब्जेक्ट इज डिफरेंट. दिस? नो. दिस? नो. दिस बोथ आर सेम. सो दिस फिश इज different. So circle the different object. And what are these? These are kites. How many kites? 1, 2 and 3. Here I drawn 3 kites. So which kite is different? This? No. This? No. This picture is same. So which picture is different? This kite is different. Very small kite. Okay. So circle the kite. And what are these? These are ice creams. Do you like ice cream? Yes. So which ice cream is different? This? No. This? No. These both are same. So circle the different ice cream. So this ice cream is different. So circle the different ice cream. Okay. Here I drawn 3 birds. What are these? Birds. How many birds? 1, 2 and 3. So student, which bird is different? This? No. This? No. This? Yes. This bird is different. Which bird is different? This bird. So circle the different bird. And what are these? These are chocolates. What are these? These are chocolates. How many chocolates? 1, 2 and 3. So student, tell me, which chocolate is different? This? No. This? No. Why? These both are same. ये दोनों सेम है चॉकलेट, पर इसमें कौन सी चॉकलेट डिफरेंट है? टेल मी. दिस. यस, दिस चॉकलेट इज डिफरेंट. And last, what are these? These are sheeps. How many sheeps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Which sheep is different? This? No. This? No. This? No. This? Yes. This is very small. So circle these sheep. Okay. And our third exercise is take the object that is odd, not same. So here I drawn the 3 balloons. What are these? Balloons. How many balloons? 1, 2 and 3. So student, which balloon is odd? जो odd means जो different हो. इसमें ये balloon same है, देखो. This and these both are same. So which balloon is odd? Tell me. This? No. This? No. This. So tick right here. Okay. Tick the right balloon. Okay. Here I drawn 3 butterflies. What are these? Butterflies. 1, 2 and 3. So which picture is odd? This? No. This? No. This? Yes. This butterfly is not same. Okay. So write here. Tick the right here. And what are these? Tell me. Balls. How many balls? 1, 2 and 3. So student, which ball is different? Which ball is odd? This? No. This? No. These both are same. So student, which ball is odd? This. Yes. This ball is not same. So tick the right here. This ball is odd. And what are these? These are pieces. How many pieces? 1, 2, 3. So student, which piece is different? Tell me. Which piece? This? No. This? No. This? Yes. This piece is odd. Okay. So tick the right here. And here I drawn 3 purses. Okay. 3 purses. Which purse is different? This? No. This? No. So which picture is odd? This. Yes. This is not same. So tick the right here. And last, what are these? These are umbrellas. What are these? Umbrellas. How many umbrellas? 3 umbrellas. 1, 2 and 3. So which umbrella is odd? This? No. This? No. This? Yes. Because this is not same. So tick the right here. So revise again one more time. Student, look here. Big, small, tall, short, full, empty. What are these? These are 2 elephants. One is big and other one is small. Big means bada and small means chota. Big, small. And next, what are these? Ladders. One is tall and other one is short. Tall, short. Tall, short. And next, last, what are these? These are 2 flower basket. Sorry, these are 2 fruit basket. One is full and one is empty. So this is full and this is empty. And draw a square around the identical same object. So this moon is same. And next, these spot are same. And this fish is same. Same and different. Okay. This star is same. These apples are same. And this semicircle is same. And next, circle the object that is different. So which piece is different? This. Okay. So circle the different picture. Okay. And what are these? These are 3 kites. So circle the different picture. This kite is different. And next, what are these? These are ice creams. So this ice cream is different. And these are 3 birds. This bird is different. So circle the different bird. And next, what are these? These are chocolates. This chocolate is different this picture. Okay. So circle the chocolate. Different chocolate. And what are these? These are sheeps. This sheep is different. This sheeps. Okay. And last, take the object that is odd. Odd means not same. जो same ना हो उसमें आपको टिक करना है, राइट करना है. ओके. This balloon is same, but this balloon is odd, not same. So write here odd balloon. Okay. So student, write in your book number 1 and page number 8, 17 and 57. Bye.